Oxley Nature Center.
Oxley Nature Center in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Tulsa,
Audubon.
Audubon. Together Green Day.
Great.
Woo!
One more. Well, that's much easier than what I did. How to use the sledgehammer. Hey, get up there. That's right. Just paint. Just tell me what you're making.
What are you doing here?
A birdhouse.
What kind of bird is it for?
Blue jays. Bluebird.
Blue jays or bluebirds?
Bluebird, I think.
That's right. We just saw a bluebird just up down the trail here.
Probably all birds.
Why are you making them? Why are you doing this for them?
Because
Olivia, what were you told?
so they can have their home, because they need help, because they're like left and they're missing and stuff, and they need a home and a place to be safe.
What birds are taking over their homes? Do you remember?
Wrens and sparrows.
So, and they're picky about the homes they live in, aren't they?
They want the bluebird. And that's why Zoe's the bluebird, and Quinn's gonna be a wren because wrens are on.
Okay.
Contract out for help on the fence. We'll just have you do it in-house.
There we go. Just keep doing it, buddy.
There you go.
All right, Abigail wants to do that slide. That is not a water slide, Chloe.
It is too.
Well, it might be a mud slide, but not one for you guys to use. Oh. One last one.
What are you doing here?
Find this last birdhouse.
Tell me what you're doing.
Into the
Tying the birdhouse to the post.
Okay, what kind of birdhouse is this?
Maxwell,
Bluebird.
get out of there.
Why are we putting up bluebird houses?
You're not going to be able to go to the next one.
Can I sign it right here? I want to sign it. Can I sign it right here?
So tell me, what are you guys doing out here in my video?
Right now?
Yeah.
Well, I'm doing invasive species removal of a monkey grass
Okay.
to preserve the natural plants.
So sharp. So special. Not even yours.
I know.
Anyway. Okay.
Can you explain to me what you're doing?
Oh,
We're cutting down vines, then we're spraying them.
yeah, we're cutting down wisteria.
Well, why are we cutting out the wisteria?
Oh, because they're like it's an exotic species, so like they're taking over, suffocating the trees.
Everywhere. I don't know, but that's kind of.
So did you guys survive the monkey grass?
Yeah.
We had one casualty, but we didn't even like him. So.
Just leave him behind in the woods?
Yeah.
Thanks for lunch.
Oh, you're welcome.
It's still.
1, 2, 3.
Together green. 1, 2, 3. Together green.
Together